Alright guys, it's Juicin July. We're gonna make some juice. So we got some cantaloupe here, and we're gonna blend it up, juice it up, make some cantaloupe juice. Alright, so now everything gets transferred over to my blender, and we can add some other ingredients to that. We got sea moss. This is optional. We got star anise, which really helps to bring out the flavor. So I just pounded up my anise into a powder earlier. And we got some bee pollen. It was given to me by some good friends all the way from Vietnam. So shout out to Dwayne and Emma for donating this bee pollen to me. And that's it for Juicin July. Now this juice works best if you have a sweet, ripe cantaloupe. Just try to get one that's really ripe. It'll be sweeter. And I really didn't think this juice would taste as good as it does. But when I tried it, it comes out nice and sweet. The star anise brings out the flavor in it. And I really like it. And of course it's July, so it's very hot. And melons, they really help to cool your body down.